going to make chicken Afghani. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new at the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipe. Let's start. First we have to marinate our chicken. For that we need 3 medium-sized onions, 1 inch ginger piece, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 bunch of fresh coriander leaves, 8 to 10 cashew nuts. We have to grind it to a nice fine paste. Now add 1 cup of beaten curd, half cup of fresh cream, juice of half a lemon, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, add the chicken pieces to the prepared mixture, mix it nicely and let it rest for half an hour. Mix everything well and coat the chicken pieces with the prepared mixture. We are going to pan fry our chicken pieces. Heat oil in a pan. Place the marinated chicken pieces. We are going to fry our chicken pieces in 2 batches so that the pieces are cooked nicely from all the sides. We will cook it till it is nice golden in color. Flip the chicken pieces and let it cook from the other side. We are going to cook our chicken pieces in the same manner till they are perfectly done. It is perfectly done. Now remove it and place the other batch. For gravy, heat 2 teaspoons of clarified butter, add 1 cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves. Let it splutter. Now add the remaining mixture of the marination and we are going to saute it for 2 to 3 minutes or till the color is slightly changed. The color is changed. Now add half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 cup milk. Mix it nicely and bring it to a boil. Add half cup of fresh cream. Mix it. Then we are going to add a prepared chicken pieces. Mix everything nicely and we are going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame or till our chicken pieces are soft and tender. It is done. Sprinkle some kasuri methi. Our chicken Afghani is ready. Garnish it with some fresh cream. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. Or if you are new at the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such